Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 22. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Why do you think he was aware of the likely failure of the firm? I thank you for the tube of color which I think should be all right. They deny they were at the tower at the time of the fire. I think you owe the head an apology for the way you hurried away on Monday. If he were aware of the date, he would, I think, have come with us. Kenneth Doll, whose view all of us share, wrote to say he would arrive at 5. I think too much time was given to the topic. What do you think? Stop. Thank you.